Hey Mary.
Hi.
How you going?
Good.
Luke. Got the cavalry with me.
Hi. Sorry about him.
That's alright.
Choked him a bit. He's alright. Okay. So, this is the TV. This is what he's left behind.
Take these cords off.
Yep, so that's where we're scrolling.
Like.
That's alright, we'll remove it all. It's all good.
Okay. You stay out the way.
Yeah, I'll just...
Two very strong people.
These through gyms. So gyms subcontract me to do their TV mounting. But yeah, I do this sort of stuff through my own business. I normally charge a cheaper rate through my own business, but with gyms there's fees, like I have to pay for certain jobs and that sort of stuff, and then I base off their rates as well.
Would you like those removed?
Yeah, I mean, they won't need them, will I?
No,
Thank you.
do it.
Alright.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
That look like alright?
Bit
More?
That's pretty good. That looks good to me.
Happy with that?
What about all the dirty fingerprints? She's nice. It's like Heather Rise.
I think it's how TVs are designed now. Because that's level, that's spot on.
Yeah.
She's drawn up against the bracket, so it's not...
Yeah, so
The bolt we're putting in just stops the TV from coming out.
Right.
It just grabs onto the back of the bracket.
so it's like a safety bolt in a way. Don't use alcohol wipes or anything because it will stain the TV and it will dry onto the TV.
Okay.
So glass cleaner, yeah.
I don't care. I'll probably never use it
leave
again.
it to Luke.
Yeah, I'll leave it to Luke.
So
It's working.
enjoying their home?
Wow.
Because yeah, if the router's in the garage and you're running off an extender, it will be slow just based off that because it's not direct from the router. So you actually connect whatever devices to the extender. So they're running through the extender's running through the router. So that's why it's slower. Yeah, if it was directly to the router, then it would be a lot faster.
Well, it's worth thinking about, but
Yeah.